Welcome back to the Aspen shed. This is going to be the start of the 4-cylinder engine, and first of all I've got a little walk through Fusion 360 to show the components I've drawn so far. I haven't actually made anything yet. I'm still toying with one or two ideas for the crankshaft, whether to machine it out of a round bar or machine it out of a lump of flat stock. I'm still debating. So I'll just show you this little walkthrough, and then here we have the camshaft, and this time I've set the lobes 110 degrees apart, which possibly will aid the engine running a bit better than the other one does. This is going to be the sump or bottom of the crankcase. It's got a center journal and two outside bearings. Not too sure what I'm going to do with them yet. This is the cylinder head with one valve in position. Not fully formed as yet. Again, I'm not too sure what's going to happen with the mating of the cylinder head to the cylinder block. This is what the crankshaft's going to look like. Again with a center journal and two end bearings. And lastly, there's the block. What it is basically an extended version of the 4-stroke single crankcase, with the added feature obviously of the split crankcase. I don't think it's going to have 4 bearings, it's just going to have the 3. And these are all the components together in one place. So we'll see how this goes, and maybe do another update soon. Yeah, so we will commence in the next few days to try and, I think, probably machine the crankshaft first and see how we get on, because I've not ever done a multi journaled crankshaft yet, so it's going to be a bit of an adventure. So see you soon. So thanks for watching, subscribing, liking, disliking, scratching your ear hole. See you soon. Oh, and thanks for hanging out in the shed.